a severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: Madison, Montana. The National Weather Service in Great Falls has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Broadwater County in southwestern Montana, southern Mark County in central Montana, northeastern Madison County in southwestern Montana, Gallatin County in south central Montana, until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 2 miles southwest of Belgrade, Oregon, 5 miles west of Bozeman, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: 55 miles per hour wind gust at the Bozeman Airport. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bozeman, Belgrade, Manhattan, Logan, Modlo, Amsterdam, Four Corners, Bozeman Hot Springs, Gallatin Gateway, Churchill, Menard, and Madison Buffalo Jump State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Try the Papa's favorite from Papa Murphy's.